Life motto. If sad is equal to true, then sad stop and be awesome. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be starting comparative study, the storytelling. Means we are going to go ahead and compare two topics together. So storytelling, real life classification problem. Now, in this topic, we're going to be comparing KNN classifier and knife bias. The activity we are going to be doing is the credit card fraud detection. We're going to predict which one is better at telling how many credit card frauds occur. So, credit card fraud detection. And in the coding part, we're going to be doing the same thing, which is going to be inspecting, processing the data, training the model with KnifeBias, and training the model with KNN classifier. And the coding part of this video is going to be in the next video. So stay tuned till then. You don't want to miss